Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're drawing two of our favorite characters, Nobita and Shizuka from Doraemon. So grab your pencils and let's get started. Alright, let's begin with Nobita. First, we're starting with his eyes. Big, round, and always looking a little confused, just like when he forgets his homework. Now let's add his glasses, the classic round ones that make him instantly recognizable. Next up, the nose, just a small dot but an important one. Now for the mouth. Make it wide with a good smile. Maybe he's happy because he didn't get scolded today. Let's draw both ears, and now I'll connect them at the bottom to form the lower part of his face. Next, we'll connect the top of his head and separate out the hairline. His hair is always neat, even when he's running around. Now onto the neck, followed by his collar, the school uniform style. Let's draw his shirt, nice and simple. Now for both hands, left and right. And finally, let's draw his pants. Can't forget those. And that's it. Nobita is done. Now we'll move on to Shizuka. Starting with her eyes, soft and kind. I'm making the top a little darker, so it looks like eyebrows too. Next, we draw both ears and connect them below to form the chin. Now we'll draw the top of her head and separate the hairline. Next up, the neck and then her top. Very simple and elegant. Now the skirt and both hands. Maybe she's waving or holding something gentle. And finally, we'll draw her ponytail, which really completes her look. And just like that, Shizuka is done. Now let's move on to the coloring part. This is where the drawing really comes to life. And we're finished. Two of our favorite characters, Nobita and Shizuka, all done. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe share it with a friend who loves Doraemon too. See you in the next drawing. And remember, keep drawing, keep smiling. Goodbye for now.